The south towers are right along here. You can't even see them. There's all nice and blue. Holy crap. I'm going to be right in the middle of it. Right in the middle. Almost. Almost. Yep. Real smart, Jessica. Be in the middle of this sandstorm. Holy crap! It is so dark right here. Whoa, hella windy. Oh, there goes palm trees. You can hardly see them anymore. Yep, I'm a genius. Holy see, you should see all the dust coming out this way now. Holy crap. We're in the beginning of it. Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. Can't even see the palm trees anymore. Okay, I'm getting down. Holy crap. Okay, I'm getting down. Yeah. No, you need to watch this. No. You need to watch this video as soon as I'm done recording. Take me look out. Here. I know. No, I was sitting here and I'm taking a picture of the palm trees.